what we are going to learn today? We are going to learn something new. Nouns. What are nouns? Can you tell me what are nouns? Unmute yourself and tell me, beta, what are nouns?
Something letters will be, ma'am.
Nouns. What are nouns?
Ma'am, names.
Names. Very good. Noun is a naming word. What is a noun?
Naming word. Naming word.
Yeah, it's a naming word. It refers to the names of people, places, animals, things. Yes, it refers to the names of. Tell me again. Noun refers to the names of names of people, places, animals, things. Very good. Very good, children. So now today we are going to learn two different types of nouns. What are those? Let us see now.
Countable noun, not uncountable noun.
Yes, very good. Countable noun and uncountable noun. So let us see here types of nouns. There are two types of nouns which we are going to.
Countable noun. Ma'am,
Yes.
number.
Not page number. First you see this.
Page number 12. Page number 12. Ma'am, we are showing these. Yes.
Countable noun and uncountable noun. What is a countable noun? What is a countable noun? Tell me. These can be counted. Nouns which we can count. Tell me, what are countable nouns?
Pencils.
Which the noun? No, you tell me first the nouns.
Bananas.
Repeat after me.
These can be counted. Example.
Children, repeat after me. What are countable nouns? You should read now. The nouns. Come on, read the nouns.
The noun.
Which we can count using numbers. Yes, the nouns which we can count using numbers. These are countable nouns. For example, you can count the clocks. How many clocks are there? You can count. How many pencils are there in your box? You can count. Yes. So how many movies you have watched? How many trains in a railway station that you can count? So you can count by a number. A noun which you can count by a number are called countable nouns. Now what are uncountable nouns? Come on, tell me the nouns. Repeat after me. Unmute and repeat the nouns.
The noun.
Which cannot be. Which cannot be counted. So Pratik,
The noun
which
cannot
cannot be counted. Numbers. Yes. So now see, uncountable nouns, we cannot count them. The nouns, we cannot count these nouns using any number. Milk. Can you count milk by a number? 1 drop of milk, 2 drops of milk. Can you count like that? No, we cannot count it by a number. Rice. Can you count it by a number? Can you tell me that how many rice your mother has cooked per the day? Can you count it by a number, Akshad? Look at the screen. Stop writing. Azlan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Azlan. Can you tell me what is uncountable?
The nouns which cannot be counted using numbers are called the
Yes, by a
uncountable
number.
nouns.
So milk, can we count it by a number?
No, ma'am.
No, we cannot count it by a number. We can
Because
measure it
it's
in
liquid.
liters or, yes, we can measure it in the liters, half liter or 1 liter, but we cannot count it
Ma'am, we
by a
cannot
number.
count it
Yes?
because it's liquid.
Huh?
We cannot count it because it's liquid.
Yeah, it's a liquid. And rice, right? Rice is a very tiny particles that we cannot count. We can measure it in the kgs or grams. Snow, rain, water, food, and music. These are all the things which we cannot count by a number. So, for example, milk we cannot count it by a number, but if I put the milk in a cup, then can we count?
Yes.
Can we count the milk in a cup, children? Yes?
No, ma'am.
Yes, we can count, beta. A cup of milk, 1 cup of milk, 2 cups of milk. Yeah, yes. Now keep this in your mind, children. Put this in your mind that if any liquid like water, milk, juice, tea, anything, if you put them in any container like glass, cup, or a bowl, so then we can count them by a number. Okay, we can count them by a number. 1, please bring me a cup of tea. Please bring 2 cups of tea. Please give me a glass of water. 2 glasses of water. 1 bottle. 2 bottles. So this you can count. You can count this by a number. Okay. When we are not putting them in any container, then we cannot count the liquids by a number. So those are called uncountable. Next, shirts. Shirt. Can you count shirt?
Yes, I can. Yes, ma'am, we can countable.
Countable. You can count shirt? Very good. Soap. You cannot count the soap.
No, I cannot.
How? Can you explain me why we cannot count the soap?
Because it is in liquid form.
It is in
Liquid form.
soap is in liquid form, my dear Dhriti.
Liquid means when we drink water, it will be liquid.
We can count Dhriti. We can count. Yes. Very good, Kartik. Very good, Kartika. Very good. So we can count. Yes, Ashwita Radha. Yes, very good, very good. Very good. We can count. We can count soaps. So how many soap your soaps your mother has brought in your groceries that you can count? 3 soaps, 4 soap, 5 soap. You can count that. Okay. You can count it by a number. The other children, those who switched off your videos and not responding, I'm going to cut 5 marks from your GA. The children, those who are not responding, I'm going to cut 5 marks from your GA. Be careful. These questions are for each and every child. Only the repeated students are giving answers. What about other? Everyone are sleeping behind the camera. Now tell me computers. Can you count the computers?
Yes.
Yes, we can count. Okay. Cat. Can you count the cats? Yes. Azlan, unmute. Lohit, unmute and tell me. Can you count the cats? Yes. Okay. Children, now we are going to do one activity on countable and uncountable. Are you ready for that? I am going to say some words, some nouns, which are countable and which are uncountable. If it is countable, one clap. If it is uncountable, 2 claps. Ready? Everyone? So everyone you have to switch on your video. I want to see claps. 1 clap and 2 claps. It's a clap activity. Ready? Ready, children? Yes. Okay, start. Water. Good. Stars. Stars in the sky. Good. Hair on your head. Hair on your head. Pencils in your box. Aha, Ashwita Nalla, you did 2 claps. Pencils in your box, you can count. So it's 1 clap. You can count them. Okay? Good. Okay, fine. So if we are in the class, no, we would have done like, okay, you are out, you can go. Those who have done correct answer, yeah, you can continue. But now it's not possible. We will continue like this now. So come on, now tell me sand. Sand. Can you count sand? No, very good. 2 claps, good. Mountain. You can count the mountain. Teeth. Teeth. Can you count teeth? Okay. Honey. 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 No, uncountable. Very good. Honey is an uncountable. And coins. Can you count coins? Good. Bananas. Okay. And salt. 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 Namak. Salt. Good, 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 children. Very good. So it is very clear that you have understood the countables and uncountables. Have you understood, children? Unmute yourself and tell me, did you enjoy this activity? Very good, very good. Yes, repeat again. What are we going to learn now? Very good.
Now gender.
Very good.
Now
So let us see now. Noun gender. Look at the screen, children. Something went wrong. Let me check.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Did not join. Yes, ma'am, we remember.
In grade
And
1,
first
we
class
have
did
learned
not
this.
start.
In grade 1, we have learned this gender, types of gender, male and female, masculine gender and feminine gender. Masculine gender refers to a male and feminine gender refers to a female. So, few examples of male and female. Male examples. Here, you can see page number 14 of your course book. There are so many examples are given. Male gender and female gender. Lots of examples are there. Now, I want you people to read one male gender and one female gender. One by one, I will unmute you now. Okay? Akshaj,
Ma'am.
Azlan, Azlan, unmute.
Ma'am.
Akshaj and Azlan. Azlan. He's not responding. AVK Ganesh.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Akshat, read one male gender and AVK Ganesh will read one female gender. Come on, fast.
Ma'am, boy. Girl.
Okay. Adya,
Yes, ma'am.
Aditya Ram. Fast, both of you start.
Female auntie.
Huh.
Adya Gujja said female.
Adya Gujja said female. And Aditya Ram will say,
Male.
yeah, male. Good. Azlan, he raised hand but he's not responding.
Computer.
Who is that?
Computer.
What computer? Gender, you have to tell about the male and female. Can you tell me computer is a male or female? Laughing now. Huh? Yes? Person, beta, person. You tell me that. Okay. I'll read out the names. You have to unmute by yourself now. Devansh, unmute. Dhriti. Devansh and Dhriti. Devansh.
Yes, ma'am.
Dhriti, give me one male gender.
Male. Lion.
Lion. And Devansh, give a female gender of lion. Huh? Mother and father both you give. Male and female both you are giving. I said lion. Lioness you have to tell.